Okay, what we're gonna do, prank call Chinese restaurant with that Asian soundboard. I'll be doing that with my laptop, so as soon as Brandon gets the number ready, we'll get started with that. Alright. Yeah, this is what we're gonna play around with. We'll order some.
Hello. What about the Negro noodle? Can I have one order of the Busak noodle? Busak, try again. Are you Chinese? Are you stupid? Are you stupid?
This is gonna be funny. Alright, make sure you hold the phone up here by the thingy too.
I'm trying to think.
I'm just trying to figure out what I use.
Okay, do you have orange chicken?
Ready? Get the hi, how are you today? And then get the Negro.
Hello, how you doing? Sao anh hả?
Alright, don't play no more. Yeah, don't play no more. Because
Hello, how you doing today? My friend told me he had it last time, the Negro noodle.
Oh, do I have what?
What about the Negro noodle?
The NJA? The Chinese?
Can I have one order of the Busak noodle?
We had a couple kinds. I don't know what kind of noodles you want.
Do you have a poo-poo platter?
Do I have what?
Do you have a poo-poo platter?
Purple butter? We don't have it, sorry.
Can I have one order of the Busak noodle?
What kind of noodle is this? I can't understand, I'm sorry.
Just say for me, Busak, 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 you know. I want the Busak noodle. What's so difficult?
Sorry. You want to come to look at it? We can show you what it was, but I don't know. I think I don't have something. What are you talking about? Something like that.
Are you stupid?
Hello?
Are you stupid? I want to get the drink, okay? We better taste it.
We have a noodle, but I don't know what kind that you want.
Can I have a 2 tampon tea?
Sorry, we don't have it.
I come with 2 chopsticks. I shove up your ass.
Get another one on there. That's hilarious.
another Chinese.
Yeah, because it's worked perfect. Just start out with.
Hello, how you doing today?
Or.
Hello, how you doing? Sao anh hả?
Do the hello, how you doing today? Do that one.
Hello, how you doing today?
Yeah.
Are you Chinese? Hello, I need to speak to somebody who can speak a Chinese. Can I speak to somebody that can speak a Vietnamese, please? No, look here, I speak a Vietnamese. My name is Rang Hat Mango Yum De Ram Gay.
Where's the rest of that?
No.
You didn't do that one, just do the hello, how you doing today? And ask for Negro noodle. And then do the chopstick up your ass eventually. That one's good, I think.
Yeah. This is
hi, how are you doing today?
This is Chinese restaurant.
Main move.
Hello, how you doing today?
Wait, that's on the speakers.
Hello, Mimi, how may I help you?
Hello, how you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Are you Chinese?
No, yeah, I'm Chinese, but I don't speak fluent Chinese.
Hello, I need to speak to somebody who can speak a Chinese.
Okay.
Hello.
Did you say mom? Did you say mom?
Hi.
Okay, I want to make the order today. Can I have what about the Negro noodle? I think a soup be better, right?
I don't know, but I didn't.
What the fuck?
We can't call him back now.
You cunt. Get another one later on there. We'll make this a bit like a. Oh shit. Oh, I think it has a 15-minute thing. We're only at 5, so.
How many minutes do you have?
Oh shit, I don't know. Let me see.
How many minutes you got?
2 minutes left, and I just bought 200 last night.
No, you got 100, didn't you? $2 for 100.
Yeah, I'll just buy one.
Right. Wait, can you buy more than 100 minutes?
Yeah, but it's cheaper just to get 100 at a time.
Oh, okay.
Alright, we now have. What the fuck is it? Got some talk time now. Alright, give me another number one though. Alright, I'll stop the video, make another one.
Alright, do the same thing, it's just a different one.
I'll upload this one real quick.
Ask, be like, how